Welcome back to the channel. So in today's video we're going to be talking about confidence. So I need to get a few videos done for the channel today. Diary has been ridiculously busy for this time of the year, so I'm going to get a few on backlog for you because I'm about to fly out to Geneva for the weekend for demonstrations and teaching, and confidence is going to come into a big part of that, so I want to share a bit of that with you. Come to my favourite place to do the recordings as well. I've got a little wooded area near me, and while the weather holds out for the time being, I'm going to keep them outside, even though I've invested in all these new lights and mics and all that kind of stuff for the home recording. While the time of year is good, I think I'm going to keep it outside. So confidence in your mediumship is going to be paramount for you. I try and liken it to anything like hairdressing, for example. And so you book your appointment, or you go into the barbers, whatever it is, and you take your seat in the chair and they sit you down. And then they kind of start giving you all the reasons that it may not be good. You know, I'm new here and I haven't been doing it long, or I've got a new set of clippers, or I've got a new set of scissors, and, you know, I ain't really got the hang of them yet. You're going to kind of be sitting there going, what? You know, like, I'm not really sure I want to get this haircut done now, or you haven't really filled me with confidence with me leaving my hair in your hands. And I see so many on Zoom, in the workshops and the classroom, so many of you giving me excuses, or your client excuses, even before you start. So the confidence is very, very low in you, in your team, in your ability, and then the excuses start to come, which now you've lost the confidence in your client. They're not feeling comfortable. They're not getting it, like, they're not convinced they're going to get their haircut, in this example, done properly, or their reading done properly, because you've already gave them a million excuses. So confidence in yourself is absolutely paramount, especially if you want to be someone that goes out and demonstrates mediumship to a public audience. I did a demonstration at the weekend just gone there, so a few days ago now. And I was taught it's a renowned, difficult venue, you know, and that may be the understanding of the congregation or their expectancy. But it is a difficult demonstration. And I was bringing through someone's mum, and well, no, it wasn't their mum. It was someone that raised them as their mum, so it wasn't their biological mother. And I knew she wanted to talk about memories and about a Tim bath and going away a couple of times a year. And the client said no. So I'd raised it, you know, like, they want to talk about a Tim bath. No. And it was just a straightforward no idea what you're talking about, Charlie. And so all I can do in that moment, all I can do in that scenario is move my mind back to my communicator. That's all I can do. Because anything else, I'm trying to make it fit, or I have to walk away from it. I have to leave it. So I moved my mind back, and I saw a number of children getting into this big Tim bath that would happen twice a year. And the moment I expressed, once I'd gone back and I expressed the new feeling or the new vision, the client immediately understood. But if I had wobbled, if I had gone, oh no, I've got it wrong, or what's going on, this is failing, I'm not getting this right, then at that point my confidence would have failed. I would have maybe, in my own mind, lost my communicator, and simply going into panic, and would have had to have walked away or moved away from the statement altogether because I didn't have confidence in myself or my mediumship. However, I did have confidence, cleared it up because I just went back and asked, they cleared it up, and the communication carried on, and so did the rest of the evening. So I know it's only a short video. I want to get a couple in the bag for you while I'm away and keep the channel very active. So I kind of want you to be very mindful of it, you know, something that you can tell yourself off for. Be mindful as you go into a reading that you don't highlight your flaws, you don't highlight that you may be new, you don't highlight that you've got a problem unless you're actively trying to work on it. Don't let the client know, whether it be in your circle or in your readings, that you may have a problem or you've had a bit of a tough week. Don't let them know that, because they're losing confidence in you. You've got to kind of set your workstation up as positive as possible, and that way you'll find a marked improvement. It may be minute, but it will be a marked improvement. So hopefully you got something from it today. I'm enjoying getting the camera out today. I haven't had it out for a little while, so if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. Like, all of you that watch this video, like it if you liked it, and get it in your comments. In the comments section there, because that does help the channel as I keep expressing. And I'll see you all in the next video.